Today we are going to discuss one infertility case that we can understand कि ट्यूबल पेटेंसी का इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है। तो आयुर्वेदा ट्रीटमेंट इनफर्टिलिटी के लिए जब भी हम करते हैं तो उसके लिए क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं जो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है टू एनालाइज। If patient has done HSG hydrosalpingography, if the findings in hydrosalpingography is tubes are open but still patient is struggling with fertility, then uske baad what next we need to really understand and take a decision for patients for the better treatment. उत्तर बस्ती is playing very major role in some kind of tubal patency अगर अच्छी नहीं है तो, या फिर endometrium lining अगर अच्छा नहीं बन रहा है तो उत्तर बस्ती we are dealing, and in that case is it really necessary to go ahead with uttar basti, and what will happen if there is no good indication and it still you will do uttar basti, तो क्या complications हो सकते हैं। First thing, now the 32-year-old patient, female patient, I'm not indicating the name of the patient, history of marital history is 4 years, struggling for fertility since last 3 years, taken all medications, tried IUI, taken all induction methods of the medicines, letrozole, triggers of Eucock, and after that she came, weight is 62 kg and no known case of thyroidism and other body diseases, no previous history of any major diseases or tuberculosis. Clinically, patient is absolutely healthy. AMH valuation when she consulted me on 1st of December 2024. So the consultation date. Then I took all history of the patient and the AMH valuation is 1.32. LMP 30 January 2024. So I suggested her to do FM and I suggested few medications. Then after that she did follicular monitoring. Follicular monitoring is this. You can see in this follicle monitoring, left follicle is saving 18 by 15, 12 by 11 and 10 by 10. There are 3 follicles, and the 11th day right side MSF and left side 12th day 19 by 18 mm. ET is very less, no growth of good ET. Tried for natural, this 12th day follicle got rupture on 13th day and tried for fertility but not conceived. After that, the second time when she consulted me, her LMP is 3rd of Jan and 13th of Jan. Again, I suggested follicular monitoring with some Ayurveda medications. And because of ET is low, as I said, Uttar Basti is playing very major good role in ET development. So I have done 3 Uttar Basti with Bala Ashwagandha and Shatavari and Phalasarpis. Then उसके बाद आप you can see that follicular monitoring, left side 22 by 21 mm का एक follicle है and 14 by 15 का एक mm का follicle है, then ET is 5.5 till 16th day. The 14 by 15 mm का got ruptured and 22 by 21 mm का जो है उसका ग्रोथ बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया था, 27 by 25. It may get converted into the cyst and it has happened the same way. 31 by 29 mm का एक cystic follicle convert हुआ and the दूसरा वाला rupture हुआ. But in this cycle what we got is ET is a very good till 6.5 as we have taken oral medications. I have given oral medications and Uttar Basti by Ayurveda management. Third, this cycle also tried but not get conceived. After that again she consulted me and LMP is 23rd of Jan again. So you can see the early menstruation with this cycle. So again we have done follicular monitoring. This cycle also no growth and even we got not that much of good ET. Next LMP is 7th February 2025. On 12th day FM during follicular monitoring, left side we have 2 follicles. The second follicle got converted into a hemorrhagic cyst, but in this cycle we got good ET, not get conceived. Then after that I have taken decision that exactly what is happening. If the patient follicles are good, if tubes are open, semen analysis is as equally good, then after the 3-4 cycles of natural follicular growth and natural rupture, patient conceive क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. So after that I suggested patient to go ahead with DHL. We have done this. I can show you with this video. In this video, we can see that we did hysteroscopy, diagnostic laparohysteroscopy. With this, we have seen there is, even though in HSG we found patency, bilateral patency, but in hysteroscopy, what we found, the ostium are good, but we have done a cannulation, because you can see this is the left ostium, and this left ostium, we have done cannulation for the tubal patency again. And in the right ostium, you can see there is thin fibrous layer is there, एक पर्दा है छोटा सा, जो कि HSG में वो पॉजिटिव, मतलब पेटेंसी आया HSG में, बट इन हिस्ट्रोस्कोपी वी फाउंड, सो वी डिड अ कैन्युलेशन एंड वी ओपन दैट fibrous opening of ostium. Again with the LMP, her LMP was 15th of March 2025, and I suggested her to go ahead with follicular monitoring. But in that follicular monitoring, what we got, in the right ovary, the antral follicles counting was 17 and the left में 14 थे. उसके बाद जो ओवुलेशन स्टडी हमने किया, तो आफ्टर ट्यूबल कैन्युलेशन, तो LMP was 18th of April and 16th day of her menstrual cycle, which we followed by follicular monitoring, and that is 9th day, on the 9th day, what we got, 15 by 13 mm का एक follicle था right में, और left में MSF, and ET was 5.8. Till 12th of day, we got a very good nice one follicle which is 22 by 21 mm, and left में नहीं था, and the ET grown very nicely 7.4 mm. I have done with this whole December to April treatment, I have done completely, I kept patient on only the Ayurveda medications and the management. I have done whatever the line of treatment suggested in Ayurveda Shastra, I have done this all, the detoxification, dietary changes, stress management, and the exercise protocols, and some oral medications. After that, on the 15th May, you can see patient sent me the UPT positive, and after that patient is consistently coming for the obstetric follow for the Ayurveda management. On the 28th June, the 11 weeks of 5 days ANC with the healthy fetus, patient is going with ANC protocol nicely, and this is the succeeded case for me. In that, I need to tell this to my all colleagues and Ayurveda physicians that what we need to do, it's very important. So ट्यूबल पेटेंसी, कैन्युलेशन है, आयुर्वेदा मैनेजमेंट है, उत्तर बस्ती है. नेक्स्ट आई कैन शो यू वन ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट केस दैट in which cases we need to avoid doing uttar basti. Ideally, every patient who is having not good ET development is not indicative for all uttar bastis. Thank you so much.